Taro Flower guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is a beautiful Saturday here in Samoa. We're just heading to the cattle farm to check on the cows and take them back in. We set up the electric fence this week with the grass inside the cattle farm. The grass inside the cattle farm was actually getting pretty low, and the cows didn't have food, which is why we had to go set up the electric fence so that we can take the cows out of the fence and move them to another plot where there's enough food. So we're just gonna go check on that. Hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Jadi sim kwa leo kele shela ya kashi. Alright fam, so we're just gonna head to where the electric fence is, and then I'll show you guys inside there, and also just double check on the cows. We'll have to send them in, but not yet, probably another hour and a half, so we'll be here for quite a while. Alright guys, so this is the actual battery pack, which is from New Zealand. The company is Gallagher, and there's the company there. So basically it's charged by solar power. We usually just leave it out in the sun and then let it charge. As you guys can see there, the solar panels there, and we let the bad boy charge. Once it's done, we connect the live wire to the actual fence, and then that carries a current. This guy's probably listening to a demonstration. We don't want him to know how it works, so we'll just cut that on. And then that carries the current throughout the whole wire. So this entire wire is actually charged right now. Has live current. The current is not enough to kill the cow, but it's enough to give you a hefty shock. So the cows have made a pretty easy job of all this, and this is what we're planning to do too. So if you guys can see the plot there where the cows usually graze, the grass is very bad at the moment, which is why we had to find an alternative feed, and cows are now feeding on all these plants, which is really good for us. Saves time. Probably give them a month here, so we'll be doing this every day now. And yeah, we'll jump inside because I need to go start just have a look around, but also later on start chasing them inside. soil here is really good, so we're really looking forward for plantations on this side, and in turn extending the plantation and the plots. A lot of great vegetation. There's also the African tulip, the fapasi, in which we will cut down because those are a very good favorite for the cows now. So yeah, you guys can see the back there. That's the other end of the actual electric fence. So there's a nice perimeter we've set up, probably about half an acre. Yeah, about half an acre that we've set up for the cows. Look at this black soil. Very nice black soil. I assume it's nutrient dense. Look how soft this is. Can't wait to start planting here. And try and get some more trees down for the girls. Forgot to bring the chainsaw, so sorry guys. Alright. Enjoy, gang. Gang, let's go. One thing we have to be careful with here is snakes. Now, one common snake towards most Samoan jungles is the Pacific boa, and it's not venomous, but doesn't mean it won't kill you. It'll probably strangle you. So always gotta keep an eye out on top of the trees just in case one falls on us. So just also checking on the kids. See down there the kids. We and Siava just collecting coconuts for Sunday. I already called out to them. I just called out to them because it's very windy at the moment, to stay away from directly beneath the coconuts in case coconut falls with them. So need to keep an eye out. Yeah, we're almost done here. Let the cows eat that up, but I'm just gonna go back to the kids probably soon, and then we'll come back for the cows. Right, so we're just gonna give them another half an hour, and then we're gonna take them in. We need to head back home as well to prepare the room for tomorrow. Big. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to bring them in, pour them some water, and then yeah, we'll head back home. Big. 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 Look. Big. Big. Move up here. Oh. Oh. Look, look. Run. Run. Circle. Circle. God, get for me. Yabe. Finger sa abay. Alright guys. Whew. Last two is in. I need to close up the fence and pour them some water. Alright, gate's now locked. Let's go pour them some water. And we're good. So, the kids, they're just locking up the gate. Finished pouring water for the cows. We're just gonna go grab some taro, luau, and probably a mokingi for the kongai tomorrow. So we're gonna head off with the kids. Welkom maar omhoog, king je daar? unknowingly clipped my hand onto the barbed wire for the fencing. I was bleeding, but that's okay. We're just about finished now. Over there, I'm getting the taro ready, and then after that, we'll grab everything and then we'll head to the house. Alright fam, we're about to head off now. Got our coconuts, mokengi for the soup, coconuts for the luau, taro in there as well, pumpkin. Yeah, we're gonna head off now, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna head home now. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you're still watching, just want to say thank you for the support, guys. To all our viewers, especially our Ainga members, I really appreciate each and every one of you for supporting the channel. But yeah, we're gonna head home, prepare the umu, you know, the rocks and stuff, clean up the old umu, and then prepare it for tomorrow. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, which will be our Sunday cooking. But until then, guys, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll definitely see you guys soon. But yeah, catch you guys. Sorry, I got my eyes on the road. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, fam. We'll see you soon.